Most people think you need thousands of views to start making money on YouTube. So they keep chasing the numbers, hoping views will somehow turn into clients. But here's the truth. That mindset is the trap. One of our clients gets around 478 views per video and consistently fills a 50-person mastermind. This video shows you how to do the same by focusing on conversion, not just clicks. Let me break down the biggest myth about YouTube growth for business. And many gurus actually talking about focus on AdSense. It's passive money on YouTube. Yeah, fine. It might be passive. So if you're getting 1,000 views, you might get $10. If you're getting 10,000 views, yeah, you might have gotten $100. But if you put focused on getting a client out of this, you'd have made already 3,000 on a video with just 1,000 views, while these people need to chase 100,000 of views. And this is the biggest problem. They're having the wrong focus because going viral isn't a business strategy. And it's very simple because if you're too broad, it's going to be harder to convert these people because these people won't have the feeling this is exactly made for me. And you won't be able to cut through the noise. And I can tell you actually from two different examples, a huge example and a smaller example, that chasing views will usually not result in more revenue. So the first example is a creator. He has 1 million subs on YouTube and he's actually getting, before 25, he got 1 million views. Now, since this year, they changed a little bit of strategy. They got more views. Yay, they got now, instead of 1 million, they actually almost quadrupled their views to 4 million almost per month, which is great. The problem though is that now the sales went down by almost 25%. So yeah, here's the problem now. Okay, they got more views, but it wasn't resonating in revenue. And now I can tell you about the smaller example, which is our channel, our small channel. So we had one video which had 800 views, amazing for our small channel, but we only got 5 people clicking on our landing page, while other videos with 200 views got 20. So as you can see here, we already lost so much more money with a video which got 4 times the views. That didn't resonate in 4 times the traffic. No, it was the opposite actually. That's why focusing first on the conversion is so critical on YouTube. You can't just try to reach everyone. If you're trying this, rather gonna chase AdSense passively than actually making high ticket sales for your business. But let me tell you even about another example, my personal example. My channel before had over 250,000 views in total. And no one ever knocked on my door and asked what service I have or if I can help them. Only close friends asked for advice. And so basically I made all these views and I didn't really get a penny out of it. A few sponsorships, but yeah, at the end of the day, I would make them money and not myself. And that's why, more views. They didn't bring me anything. And that's why I don't want you to focus on that. And on average, I can tell you the average number of conversion from your video to your sales page is around 0.1%, which means from 1,000 people, maybe 1 person is going on your website, which is not a lot. But if you're going to be now more hyper-focused, you can easily increase this to a 1%. Which is then resulting in a 10 times more conversion, more leads on your landing page. And I can tell you from our clients, they are getting over 1% already because they are being very hyper focused. So they're already getting, for each 100 views, at least giving them 1 till 2 or maybe 3 clients or traffic on the landing page from each video. Now, we're having some videos actually on our page, as I said, the 200 views got 20. That's a very rare case of for our channel, which almost has 10% conversion rate. So if you think now back to the average of 0.1%, yeah, that's 100x. That's 100 times more people on our landing page than if you would have chosen abroad videos like we did with the one with 800 views. And yeah, not trying the right people because they wouldn't feel this video is for me. This person speaks exactly to my problems and he has proven that he has a solution for me. So here's a simple action plan for you. You need to stop posting random content. You need to be hyper focused. You need to have one solution where you help one persona. So they know this product, this video, this person is made for me. So they go in there. Next, you need to have for each video, then after you have the set goal, okay, I want the clients, I want to lead them then to this landing page for this service, very hyper focused. And very importantly, obviously, you need to track. We do this with link tracking by UTM parameters. We use, for example, DUP, no affiliate, but then we can see this video brought in the views. Nice, but this video brought in the traffic. That's what we're focusing, and that's what YouTube for businesses should be. If you want to see how this actually works in practice, not just in theory, watch this next. It's a breakdown of how one sales coach closed 18,000 in 90 days without changing his content. We walk through his exact funnel, the simple tweaks that made the biggest difference, and how you can apply the same strategy to your channel. Click here to watch it and see what's possible when you stop chasing views and start focusing on conversions.